In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the page color in Microsoft Word. Whether you want to add some creativity or make your document stand out, changing the page background is simple. Go to the Design tab at the top of Word. On the right side, click Page Color next to Page Borders and Watermark. Choose a color from the Theme options, or click More Colors to customize. For a specific color, go to the Custom tab and enter an RGB or hex code. To remove the color, click Page Color again and select No Color. This will restore the standard white background. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.